Good morning, dear children. How are you? Hope you are keeping fine at home. Okay, children, stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy at home. Okay, in the last class, we have discussed about the symbol of short E. In the last class, we discussed about the symbol of short E. Today, we are going to learn the symbol of long E. The long E symbol. Lesson 6. All of you take your textbook, page number 23. Lesson 6. E ki matra. E ki matra. Long E. Okay. Here, E ki matra. This is the symbol of long E. What is the symbol? Which is the symbol? This is the symbol of long E. Long E. Okay. This is long E. This is the symbol of long E. In the last class, we discussed about the short E symbol. Which is the short E symbol? This is the short E symbol. Okay. This is the short E symbol. This is the long E symbol. Okay. This is the long E symbol. This is the short E symbol. Okay, children. We already told the long E symbol we have to put in the right side of the letter. Already we told the short E symbol we have to put in the left side of the letter, and the long E symbol we need to put the right side of the letter. Right side of the letter we have to put the right side of the letter. Did you understand? Like this. Deepak. Here you can see the long E symbol in like Malayalam. Valli, like that. Okay. Long E symbol is given here. Long E. Deepak. Deepak. First one. Eid. Eid is a festival. Eid, sugar cake. Already we learned. Eid, festival. Eid, sugar cane. Deepak, earthen lamp. Keed. Keed means insect. Deepak, earthen lamp. Keed means insect. Did you understand? The symbol of long E. This is the symbol of long E. We have to put the symbol in the right side of the letter. Did you understand? Okay, children. Here, some example is given here. Ka, ki, kha, ki, pa, pi, ta, ti, pani. Here you can see the symbol of long E. Here also you can see the symbol of long E. Here and here. Okay. Pani, city. Okay, children. All of you take your textbook, page number 24. Okay, 24. Padhe or samjhe. Read and understand. Here you can see some words given here. I am going to read. You can repeat after me. Okay, or read with me. Padhe or samjhe. CT. First one. CT. Second one, pani. Third one, kida. Third one, kida. Fourth one, jali. Jali. Next one, pili. Next one, dali. Next one, didi. Next one, kali. Next one, cheel. Next one, titli. Next one, mali. Next one, tali. Next one, geed. Next one, imli. Next one, nani. Next one, nali. Next one, bees. Next one, idli. Next one, rani. Next one, pari. Next one, nadi. Next one, city. Next one, Dani. Next one, Chabi. Here you can see the symbols. Symbol of long E in red letter. Okay. You can see the symbol of long E. The given a red mark. Okay. Here given in the red mark. Okay, children. Next one, आइए वाक्य पढ़ें means let's read the sentences. आइए वाक्य पढ़ें. तितली आई, the butterfly came. तितली आई means the butterfly came. वनु. भूल भूल पर उड़ती फिरती. भूल भूल पर उड़ती फिरती means to fly one flower to another flower. To fly one flower to another flower. Next one, जगमग जगमग करती रहती. जगमग करती रहती means twinkle twinkle, shine and bright. जगमग करती रहती. Next line, हाथ न कभी लगाने देती. हाथ न कभी लगाने देती means we can't touch or we can't catch the butterfly. Okay, we can't touch or catch the butterfly. जगमग करती रहती, हाथ न कभी लगाने देती means nobody can catch it. Nobody can catch the butterfly. Okay. नानी कहती बड़ी प्यारी. Grandma says it's looking is very beautiful. Grandma says it's looking very beautiful. Butterflies are very beautiful. है ना? Granny says it's very beautiful. तितली रानी. Queen butterfly. Queen butterfly. Okay, once again I am going to read. तितली आई, भूल भूल पर उड़ती फिरती. जगमग करती रहती, हाथ न कभी लगाने देती. नानी कहती बड़ी प्यारी, तितली रानी. Okay, children, this much only. आइए वाक्य पढ़े. Okay, next given शब्दार्थ page number 24. Word meanings. First one, kheer. Kheer means sweet dish. Okay. Next one, veer. Veer means brave. Next one, geet. Geet means song. Next one, cheel. Cheel means kite. Next one, cheel. Cheel means lake. Next one, gila. Gila means wet. Wet. Next one, Rani. Rani means queen. Next one, Siti. Siti means ladder. Next one, Chabi. Chabi means key. Next one, Kida. Insect. Next one, Nadi. River. Next one, Neela. Neela means blue. What is Neela? Neela means blue. Next one, Pani. Pani means water. Water. Next one, Mali. Mali means gardener. Gardener. Next one, Siti. Siti means whistle. Whistle. Already we told one first Siti different from this Siti. The letters were different. Both were different letters. Okay. First one Siti, ladder. Second one Siti, whistle. Next one, jeep. Jeep means tongue. Tongue. Okay, children. This much only in the lesson 6. Okay. Here, next page number 25. Exercises given here. I will give you through WhatsApp. Exercises I will give you through WhatsApp. Okay, children. All of you study well. There will be TP on Thursday. Prepare well. Study well. Read and write more and more. Okay, children. Okay. See you in the next video in another class. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Okay, children. Bye.